The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee WL model, which has a factory installed flush side rails. We've just installed the Yakima JetStream SkyLine base roof rack system, which consists of the JetStream load bar, 50 inches in length, black finish shown here, but silver is also available. The SkyLine towers, which have a quick release feature. So locks are recommended, but aren't required. It's an available accessory that you can get separately. You can get it at the time of the rack or add it down the road. Connecting all that to the vehicle is Yakima's landing pad 19, which connects to the back side of the flush side rail via threaded connection points from Jeep. So overall, you have 165 pound carrying capacity, and you do have multiple rear locations for crossbar spacings of about 24 inches to about 35 inches, center to center. So a great system for all sorts of different gear and accessories. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.